In this video, I'm going to show you how to make forms in the Brevo. So for that, the process is very simple. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So click on the link in the description below so you will be able to redirect on this dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, on the left hand side, you will see the marketing tab. Click on it and then you'll see the forms underneath it. Click on forms, click on create sign up form. You will see full page embedded. So write the name of the form, for example, test, and then continue. Now you will be able to edit the newsletter, the form, and add images and attributes, add captcha, new GDPR field, all that setup from here, and then you will be able to return to this tab. So once it's been enabled, you will be able to see all the details of it. So this is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.